Hello, everyone. This is Rhonda of virtueworksforyou.com, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs grow businesses online via attraction marketing and content marketing on a hectic schedule with ease. And today's topic is how to write a clear YouTube channel description. So, when I go to people's YouTube channels, like when I'm on YouTube and I'm scrolling through the video feed and I come across a video that looks interesting and I check it out, I want to check out the video. Before I watch the video, I don't know about you, but I tend to go look at the person's about page on their channel because I want to know more about them and what their channel is about, who they're targeting. If that channel would be a channel that I would be interested in. So, that's the one of the first things that I do. And I find that a lot of people don't have their YouTube channel descriptions. And, that's a very important portion of, setting up your channel and getting started on YouTube. You want to be clear on who you are serving, and what niche that you are helping them with. Okay, like what industry that you are in. So, I'm going to get into why is writing a clear YouTube channel description is important and right now. So number one, you want to talk about who you are, and do stick around because I'm going to show you an example of how to write a YouTube channel description. So back to number one, who are you? So you want to write a brief introduction about who you are and what you do. You can keep it one sentence. Now you can go over at least two sentences. I did about two sentences on my page. So you definitely want to, introduce yourself. Okay. Give a little background. And then number two, what is your niche? So what is your industry or area of expertise? Niche down to one area, solving one problem. So you definitely want to tell people what your channel is about, the niche content that you would be talking about. For example, if you are network marketing, your channel is about helping newbie network marketers break into the network marketing industry. You definitely want to note that in your description, and niche down to one area, solving one problem. So you're going to teach your audience about network marketing on that channel. Okay, you don't want to be on your channel talking about network marketing and some other industry niche. For example, you don't want to be talking about network marketing and gaming. You don't want to do that. You want to keep it to one niche and solving one problem. You don't want to confuse your audience. So definitely talk about your niche and your area of expertise. Okay, and number three, who does the channel content speak to? So you have to mention the demographic. Who is your demographic that your content aims to speak to? Content should focus on the one problem you are helping them solve. Okay, so network marketing help them solve problems that they may be having with network marketing. Okay, pro tip, let your audience know how often you will go live or upload new content. So I want to throw that in there. So you definitely want to let them know in your about section, which is the channel description section, of how often you will be uploading content each week. Okay, and so when you give them some information on the demographic that your content is aimed at, then, that allows people to decide, okay, this channel is for me, I'm going to subscribe to this channel. So you definitely want to let visitors know who you are serving, who your content is for. And number 4, optimize for SEO is search. Research and use niche-related keywords to optimize your channel for search engines. So, okay, the network marketing example again, you're in network marketing. Your main keywords should be network marketing. So when you are before you get ready to publish that video and you put in your tags, one of your keywords should be network marketing, and that keyword should also be in your subscription. Hi, I'm whatever your name is. I'm a network marketer. I help newbie network marketers learn how to network and generate leads. Whatever you help them do. So definitely optimize for SEO and search. And number 5, drop your links. Okay, so the YouTube's channel description area, or you say the about section, gives you the opportunity to place all your links, your email address, your social media pages, your affiliate links, your website links, any other links. You want somebody to sign up for a free course, you can put that link there. So definitely don't forget to drop your links, because we definitely want our visitors and followers to get to know us and to follow us outside of social media. So that's what they're there for, that section for the links, and definitely utilize it, okay? Especially if you have offers for people where it'd be a free or paid course or affiliate link. Somebody want to sign up for to your email list, that's another link. If you're trying to build your email list, do place your email list link there. Okay. So hopefully you stick around, and now I'm going to show you an example. Here's my YouTube channel. Here is the about section where you write your YouTube channel description. And as you see in the first 2 sentences, I introduce myself, who I am, and who I help. Okay. Hi, I'm Rhonda, the Virtu Works for You Mompreneur. I'm a creative enthusiast and virtual support specialist, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs just like you build businesses online via content and attraction marketing on a hectic schedule with ease. Join me weekly. There I'm telling them how often they'll be seeing me as I show and tell you how to create attractive content, then how to research brand and market content, how to get maximum productivity in the process. So I go in a little in depth about what I would be talking about on this channel and how all these things, relate to content and attraction marketing. And again, I would be going either live or uploading content 1 to 2 times per week. Okay, stay posted. Be sure to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell symbol for alerts. My email address is here if someone wants to contact me through email. And here is all my links, my social media pages, my affiliate links, my courses, my website. Okay, so and also when I talked about SEO and keywords, so my keywords: stay-at-home moms, women entrepreneurs, content marketing, attraction marketing. And so those are my main keywords. So every time before I publish a video and to YouTube, and you have to fill in your tags for that particular keywords. Those are the keywords that I always fill in. So for example, if you are in network marketing, you want to be sure to use keywords that are related to network marketing being one of them. Okay, so, and if you're not sure what type of keywords to use, you can always go to YouTube search. So again, using a network marketing example, network. So I put in network, and automatically network marketing comes up. And then when you put in network marketing training, network marketing tips, network marketing motivation, network marketing business, network marketing explain. So if you were in the industry of network marketing tips, network marketing business, network marketing success, those will be some of your keywords that you should use in your video tags and in your description. Okay, plus your name and your business. Okay, and your audience. Okay, your demographic. So for example, you can network marketing beginners. So if you are targeting beginners in the network marketing industry, this is another keyword you can use if that's your audience. Network marketing tips for beginners, network marketing beginners. So yeah, so those are some examples, some your keywords you will use to optimize your channel. So that is it. So I'm going to ask you before I go, okay, have you written your YouTube channel description? Yes or no? And let's talk about it in the comments. Thumbs this up, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell symbol for alerts, okay? Be sure to do that, all right? And you all have a great day. And I will talk to you soon. Again soon. Bye.